So this week's app segment, we decided to try out an app called Search and Replace by navida maybe, Information Systems System. I'll tell you what, I picked it up, I tried to install it right from the get-go just so I can try it out. And right from the get-go, I had a deployment error. It said that I was not able to install it because the extension is not available for your release. Check the country and version availability in the extension marketplace. I wasn't able to find the extension marketplace.
So I assume that, maybe what you were experiencing was what we might just call the user error. So I went in and I also tried to install it, and I actually ended up getting the same results as you.
Well, I thank you for the vote of confidence from the get-go. But yes, you did get the same error that I did. So basically what this is supposed to do, though, is it allows you to, it's kind of like the word feature where you can find something and replace multiple things, with a couple clicks. You can find the whole word only. It's match case, so it specifies the case should be considered while searching for the value.
Yeah.
And you can replace the whole field. In theory, it would be nice, but I don't know if it replaces it throughout the entirety of Business Central or just whatever card it's on.
I wish I could help you.
Yeah. So, but, users are going to experience a lot of this, I would imagine, in the future. You won't know what country it's for or if it's compatible with the version of Business Central you have. So, luckily, there's a couple other different tools out there that could be used. One would be Rapid Start. You want to tell us a little bit about Rapid Start, Ken?
Yeah, so I think, in looking at this app, what it really adds is significant, makes it really easy for the user. Like you said, if you're in Microsoft Word, you've got your little replace button up at the top. You can do find all, replace all, or whatever, right? It's that same idea that makes it just very easy for the user. The reality, though, is that you really don't need this because of several options available. The first is Rapid Start, which is the ability to grab a table of data, pick which fields you want, export those fields into Excel.
Yeah.
Use Excel, which has a replace or whatever, those functions, and then you import the changes back in, and it validates the data as it brings it back in.
Right.
So that's, when you say if a customer has to maybe about 1,000 customers, and you have to update the salesperson from Sue to Bob.
Yeah.
Right? Well, you could do that through Rapid Start.
And the beauty of that is that that you're doing it for whatever you're replacing, customer name or whatever it is.
Right.
With this app, we're not sure if it's global or what it does. Yeah.
Yeah. The other option is if you're using Office 365, you have the Edit in Excel button. So you could pull up a list of customers, filter your list, and then hit the Edit in Excel button from that, let's say, customer list page. Make your changes in Excel and publish those changes again with validations back right into the data.
Yeah.
So
quickly, easy.
Yeah, using Excel and Office's global replace feature. So I think when I look at our end results from picking this app and doing it, is two things. The first is that the app may have issues, right? So we always want to suggest that if you're going to install an app, install it into a sandbox environment first.
Yeah.
Test it out. Most of the apps give free trials, so you can try it out in a new sandbox environment. You don't like it, blow away the whole sandbox environment. No harm, no foul.
Right.
But the second thing is maybe a little bit more nuanced, which is, do you really need the app? Right? You think this is cool, and maybe you do need this type of app, but maybe there are other ways that using the standard Business Central functionality that you can accomplish the same thing.
Don't be afraid to talk to your partner. You know what I mean? Talk to your partner. They have a little bit more knowledge than you for this sort of thing, and they can point you in the right direction. I mean, if this can be handled like this particular one by using the Edit in Excel or Rapid Start, these are familiar tools that everybody knows works. Why not use them? Why try something new? Plus, you're going to have to pay a subscription cost with this. Is it really something that you want to do for however long? But
So this was our first experience with this. We've been looking at apps for a while, and our first kind of
experience.
lack of experience.
I get to try it out.
There you go. So
So
next month we'll try to find an app that works, huh?
yeah, we'll try.